Yes, welcome back,
Yay!
everybody. Hey, it is time to do some Play of the Day live crafting. What do you reckon, Captain Comet?
Oh, I cannot wait. I'm very excited.
We've got a very awesome Play of the Day. Lots of things I like about this one. It's called Make a Superhero Puppet. I love superheroes, I love puppets, and I love making stuff. So this is right up my alley. We want you to turn your teddy bear or your favorite toy into a puppet on an amazing background. And then we can do a little puppet show with our superheroes. How fun's that?
It's so fun. If you'd like to join us and draw along as we go, this is what you'll need. A piece of paper, some scissors, pencils or texters or crayons. I used crayons. A pop stick, straw, or a spare pencil and some sticky tape. You could probably use glue tack as well, actually.
If you don't have one of those things, I'm sure you can find something to substitute that's lying around the house. Now, we got a little bit excited, and before we went live, we already did our backgrounds because I just got so excited about this activity. I've gone for a bit of a sort of a cityscape at night time, a little bit of action, some speed lines here, some things whizzing past. What have you done for your background, Captain Comet?
That is so cool. I've done a little bit of a Planet Starlight field, really. Got a couple of little
beautiful
houses, nice hill with some cute little bushes and a rainbow, and of course a tree. Love that nature. And I've coloured it all in with crayon. So if you're watching, you can start drawing now. You can draw a little background. You can see we've kept it pretty simple.
Yeah.
Just some basic shapes. I think the main thing is to just kind of fill the page, wouldn't you say, Captain Geronimo?
Yeah, you've got to fill your whole background up. You don't want to have any gaps of blank because you want your character to be able to go anywhere on the page. And speaking of characters, Captain Comet.
Yes.
What have you got in store for your background with your character?
Well, we're turning our favourite toy into a superhero, and I've got my little piece of paper here. And then I've done a little bit of an outline of my favourite toy, which is Purple Ted. How about you, Captain Geronimo? Who are you?
Well, Captain Comet, I haven't started my character yet. I couldn't think of anything. I thought maybe you and maybe the people in the chat could help give me an idea because I couldn't think of anything. I've got too many favourite toys. I couldn't pick one. I need your help, everybody.
It is very hard to pick a favourite toy. Is there one toy in particular that is maybe easy to draw if your pen is on the paper the whole time?
Oh, are we sensing a challenge? A pen on paper challenge? What about some kind of a robot kind of character? That could be fun to try draw without taking my pen off the page.
Could I suggest perhaps a robot cat? Princess Cat has just suggested cat.
I just saw that. I love combining some ideas. I think I can draw a robot cat without taking my pen off the paper. I think I can do it.
That's quite a challenge.
Okay, so I'm trying to draw a robot cat. All right, here we go. Wish me luck, everybody.
Good luck.
Okay. All right, my pen is on the paper now. There's no going back. Okay, I think I'm finished. Is there anything this needs before I take my pen off the page?
I reckon it's looking pretty good. The only thing, you can probably take your pen off the page, but what is the name of your robot cat?
Oh, that is a good question. Okay, if you've got a good name for this character in the chat, let me know. I'm thinking, my mind says RoboCat, but maybe we could get more creative than that. Who's got a good name for this robot cat? We could call it cat with like a K dot at symbol or something, and then a T, maybe. Actually, in fact, I think maybe that's what it is. Electro Kitty is an excellent suggestion. Let's go. Electro Kitty. And then its sign is cat, like that.
Kitbot. These are all
Kitbot. Oh, these are all so good. I'm going to have to call all of these things.
While you finish writing that name, I'm going to... That was magic, by the way.
Thank you. I'm going to add a little bit of colour just to this to make it a little bit more colourful, though.
Yes, that's a great idea. While you do that, I'm going to show everybody how to turn your drawing into a puppet.
Awesome.
So you cut out around, once you colour it in, you'll cut out around the outline. And then I'll show you. If everyone could just concentrate really hard.
Oh, concentrate. You didn't say they would be concentrating.
I'm so sorry, but I've just got to pop. Great. Thanks very much, everyone, for concentrating so hard. That purple Ted coloured in itself.
I'll tell you what, you're lucky everybody in the chat was here.
I know. If you've got a paddle pop stick or a straw, you can use that. I don't, so I'm just going to use the texture that I drew with.
I found a leftover takeaway plastic knife, so I'm going to use that.
Oh, okay, great.
Recycling, you know. I don't know if you noticed this, but at the back of Electro Kitty Kitbot Cat's tail, there is actually a light bulb. That's a light bulb.
I did notice that. That's very cool. Whoop. There you go. Look at that.
Oh, that looks awesome, Captain Comet. And so now you can use the stick to help move the puppet around.
Phew.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
I've got to say, scale-wise, though, my cat's a lot bigger than the city that I've drawn. I've just realised.
That's okay. They're giant personalities.
Yeah.
Whee!
All right, I've almost finished colouring in my RoboCat, Electro Kitty, Cat Kitbot.
That is very cool. Now, don't forget, once you've finished your puppet, you get to play.
It's our amazing artwork that we finished.
Oh, yay!
Look at this. Here's RoboCat.
Oh,
I think
wow.
RoboCat might be a giant. Beep, boop. Meow, meow, meow. That's my puppet show. RoboCat.
That's a pretty good puppet show. Here's my purple Ted. Oh, dear, my hand's in the way. Purple Ted saying,
I'm going to go and find a present to interview. Whee!
Amazing.